And I'm back with another What Sold video. I will share with you 15 items that I sold during 1 week. This was for the week of July 25th through the 30th, so the end of July. Now, this is not every item that I sold during that week, but just 15 of the most interesting sales that I think you may be able to find at your local thrift stores and garage sales. I will go through each item specifically, telling you what I paid for the item, what it sold for, any shipping charge that I received, as well as my net profit per item. If that sounds like something that interests you, go ahead and give that video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Okay, so we'll start on Facebook this time. I sold this huge wooden railroad set, Thomas and Friends. It was dated back in 2015. I paid $8 for it at Goodwill, so I did pay up for it. I did set out all of the pieces and take very good pictures. It was listed for about 7 months and it sold for $52.50, and the buyer paid $16.20 for UPS shipping. So my profit when it was all said and done on this Thomas the Train railway set was $44.50. The next item on Facebook is a Champion hooded pullover sweatshirt. I also included the keywords jacket and windbreaker. I paid $4 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 3 months for $20.25, and the buyer paid first class shipping of $5.75. I have been trying out this Champion brand, and it is doing quite well. I did pick this one up because of the larger C logo on the chest and the fact that it was nylon and sort of waterproof or water resistant. I did think it should go for a little bit more money than $20, but I was happy with this sale. My profit, $16.25. If you're new to my channel, my name is Zandra, also known as Piece of Scrap on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari. I'm a part-time reseller on those websites, and what that means is I pick undervalued items at garage sales and thrift stores and flip them for a profit online. Now, I do this in my spare time just for fun, so you won't see me picking up penny dollar items and flip them for $10 plus free shipping on eBay. These are highly profitable items that you too can find at your garage sales and thrift stores. If you like this kind of video where I get right to the point and cut out all the chatter, give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, click subscribe. I need all the subscribers I can get. And next up is a pair of Fashion Nova denim jeans. Again, I took my chance on this. It was new with tags at Goodwill, so I paid $3.50 for it. So the combination of it being new with tags and a brand that I wanted to try out, Fashion Nova, I thought I would give it a shot. It sold for $21.87, and the buyer paid $5.75 shipping. So they were about $27 all in on this new pair of jeans. My profit, $18.37. I'm still on the fence about this Fashion Nova brand. I have not picked up any of these since. I'm wondering, do you guys sell Fashion Nova? And if so, at what cost? Leave a comment below and let me know. Next up is a Vince Gill t-shirt. I do pick up these concert t-shirts when I find them. Depending on the artist, they can sell for quite a bit of money. This was a size extra large from 1996. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. It did take a while to sell. It took about 8 months. It finally sold for $14 on Facebook, and the buyer did pay shipping. So my profit on the t-shirt was $9.45. Looking at these keywords, I included Vince Gill, tour, concert, tee, XL, the date 1996, country black t-shirt, vintage from the 90s, and I included the cities where he played. And next up on Facebook is a Green Bay Packers children's sweatshirt. I've had this for about 6 months. I picked it up for $1 at a thrift store. It sold for $11.34, and again, the buyer did pay shipping, so my profit, the fees on Facebook were $0 for whatever reason. Facebook did not charge fees on this, so I made $10.34 profit, which is pretty good on a children's sweatshirt. And next up is another sports item. This is from the US Open Pebble Beach, a baseball cap. I paid $1 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 5 months of listing on promotion of $12.15, and the buyer did pay shipping. Again, there were no fees on this purchase, so my profit was $11.15. So when I can pick up these ball caps for $1, I will give it a shot, and sometimes I make more than $10. Next up, we'll hop over to Mercari. This is a Fabletics reflective cycling jersey. I paid $3.50 for this. I picked it up late last year, so it's been listed for about 9 months. It sold for $23 on Mercari, and the buyer did pay shipping. It was a plus size 2X, which was always a plus. I'm a little iffy on this Fabletics brand. I've had good and bad luck with this brand, so I may or may not pick it up in the future. I have not yet decided. My profit on this reflective cycling vest was $16.23. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold this Columbia PFG short sleeve shirt. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold within 7 months of listing on promotion of $21.36, and the buyer did pay $7 first class shipping. So these fishing shirts by Columbia, when they say PFG on the back, which is performance fishing gear, do sell well, and they sell rather quickly. This was Omni shade and a pretty good size large. So keep your eye out for Columbia PFG. My profit on the shirt was $17.02. I did make a little bit of money on the shipping charge. The actual first class shipping was just $4.15. And next up is another Columbia item. This is Columbia PFG convertible pants. I also included the keywords nylon, hiking, and camping. I paid $5 for these at a thrift store. They sold for $20. I did accept a best offer, and the buyer paid $7 first class shipping, so they were $27 all in. Again, I kind of thought they would go for more than that. As you can see here, I had them listed for over $30. But when the offer came in of $20 plus $7 shipping, I went ahead and accepted it. My profit was $13.81. So again, with the PFG, you can see that here, performance fishing gear. And next up is a brand I've heard from Kaylee Eileen. She's had luck selling Knox Rose, so I thought I would give it a try. I picked this up for $3.50 at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price of $19.97, and the buyer did pay $7 first class shipping. It sold within 6 months of listing. So my profit on this shirt was $15.81. This is what that tag looks like, Knox Rose. They are kind of a girly, as you can see here, it has tassels with beads and a bohemian hippie type look. So I did include all those keywords in my description. You can see Knox Rose large boho peasant shirt, top baby doll blue, striped tassel, crochet, and lace. So yeah, I will be picking up this brand in the future if it can sell for over $20 shipped. So keep your eye out for a Knox Rose, and thank you, Kaylee Elaine. Next up is a pair of Keen cycling shoes. I picked these up at a thrift store for just $1. The ladies at this thrift store had no idea what these shoes were. They even asked me at checkout, hey, what are these shoes used for? After running a quick search in the store, I determined they were cycling shoes, which is what this connection here is on the back. They're cycling shoes for women. So again, I paid $1 for these. They sold for $40, and the buyer did pay $10 shipping. I accepted a best offer within 3 days of listing. So my profit on these shoes was $40.80, as I only paid $8.20 shipping. They fit in one of those padded flat rate mailers. So keep your eye open for Keen. Keen is known for an outdoor brand, but when they are cycling shoes, they are even more valuable. And next up is another set of shoes. This is Vibram, the toe shoes, 5 fingers. Evidently, they use these for trail running. They're known for being barefoot. I'm not so sure I'd like my toes separated like this while I'm running, but some people do, and they love these shoes. So if you ever see these out in the wild, go ahead and pick them up. I paid $5 for these at Goodwill. I accepted an offer of $80, and the buyer paid $36 to have them shipped internationally. So my profit was $70.92 on this one pair of shoes. I do have a ladies version of these still available in my online stores, and the link to all of my stores is available in the description below if you're interested. Next up, we have a couple of Nike items. This is a pair of Nike dry fit Bermuda shorts. I paid $1 for these at the thrift store. I accepted an offer of $15 and $7 shipping, so they were $22 all in. They are a smaller size too, so they took about 4 months to sell. But my profit on these shorts was $14.26. So keep your eye out for Nike. You may be surprised at some of the items that sell. These were Nike Golf. And another Nike item, Nike sweatpants, green. And these were in great condition. I paid $3.75 for these. They sold within 2 weeks of listing. I accepted a best offer of $20, and the buyer did pay $9 priority shipping. So my profit on these Nike sweatpants was $15.91. Looking at these keywords, I included Nike Dry Fit 2XL, Therma, training pants. I also included the keyword sweatpants, green, XXL, 2X, and men's. And the last item I'd like to share with you on eBay is a Patagonia item. Again, being Patagonia, I thought it would sell for more money. It was listed for over 1 year. So when the offer came in of $15 and $7 shipping, I quickly accepted it. Being Patagonia and Capilene, I thought it would sell for more money. However, the offer came in and I quickly accepted it. My profit on the shirt, $11.16. I just shared with you 15 of the items that I sold in 1 week that helped me make nearly $1,000 selling thrift store and garage sale items. Taking a closer look at the numbers, you can see at the bottom there, I made $966.81 in 1 week. My buy cost for all of the items that I sold during the month was $111.50. I did make money on the shipping charge. As you can see, I paid $171 in shipping. However, I collected $226.94 for shipping. The fees were a little over $105, and my net profit on all the items that I sold last week was $578, rounding that up to $579. Not bad for 1 week part-time reselling on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and smash that like button, and while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I do release What Sold videos weekly. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so while you're at that, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.